Hi guys, I'm Scott. Welcome to the channel. Please, after this, if you find it useful, subscribe and check out the other videos as well. They're all designed to help you guys settle in Spain or move to Spain. We live in Granada. This video is about the pool, okay? So just a quick thing that we learned. So everybody loves a pool. A couple of things. We use, excuse me, a robot, and we use that there. It's also a skimmer robot. Makes life a lot easier, okay? We also put in these stairs. They're about 400 quid. Just saved us you know, putting in the stone ones, purely because we couldn't get anybody to do the stone ones. We actually emptied the pool and I repainted it in about 3 days, but had to wait 2 weeks for it to dry. That's how long you're meant to leave it to cure. And the other thing we did, because this is a 40-year-old house, it just got taken out by a fly there, is I replaced, and this is the tip, I replaced the pool pump system, okay, which actually is here. It's down under the ground. Now a lot of places in Spain have it in there. Don't ask me why. Okay, there it is there. Now we had it replaced for believe it or not, it's only 1,200 euros. So bear that in mind. If someone quotes you massive money, then kick them out the door, get someone else in. To actually fit a pump system, this is a glass one, used to be sand, was only 1,200 euros, which I thought was quite reasonable. And I tell you what, it works a hell of a lot better. So that's our pool tips, and I hope it helps.